average build tutorials be like today. Okay, first place down one block, then place down 2 more blocks, and then it should be done. See, it looks great. It's also mobile friendly. But seriously, it is mobile friendly. Anyways, just copy this design real quick. I don't know if I can explain it, but just copy it. But seriously, that's like the average build about tutorials today's. And also I swear there's always that one guy that just goes like they can turn getting to the end like a video game. Even though this is a video game. Okay. Anyways, bye guys.